All right, we are at 6717 Oak Knoll on a cul-de-sac where you have trees at that one end, which is nice, really quiet, awesome for the kids, plenty of extra yard space in front as well. And then you have this big driveway with a split 3-car garage. Really pretty entrance. The cast stone frames over there and here, it's pretty. Right. Another glass iron and wood door. So we come in and you have formal dining to the right. Looking at the front. This is to the main garage, kitchen, living, staircase, and then over here on the left we have another bedroom. Full bath. It looks at the front entrance, closet. This is actually the primary closet, which is super dreamy, but we'll hold on to that. Okay, formal dining. You have a butler pantry through there. Living room. Looking back. The fireplace. Beautiful light kitchen. Gas cooktop. Breakfast area. I love this space. Looking at the backyard, you have this storage bench seating, which is great. If you wanted to do a bigger table here, you could do that. And then this is the pass-through. You have a guest powder bath here. And then this laundry utility room is just over the top amazing. Huge storage space. They have built-ins here for a desk. Just dreamy. I love this. Oh, and a hanging rack here too. Another door. This one for garage. I'm sorry, for your garbage storage, which is nice. You have a door right there to get to. And they have using this as a utility closet for supplies. And this passes through to the entrance from the garage. You have a mud bench. And that's the main garage there. There's a little nook there with an extra refrigerator. Okay. And now we're back looped to the butler pantry, kitchen. And we'll go to the primary suite. The separate entrance here. So on the left is the bathroom suite, and you have your bedroom, the vaulted ceilings. And you're looking at the backyard, which is nice. Good space. Okay, beautiful bathroom. Lots of counter space. You have a vanity table there. Bathroom with the tub and large walk-in shower as well. Shelves. And then water closet. And this beautiful closet. They have his and her sides here. Lots of storage space. This walks through to that first floor bedroom and your entrance. So we'll go upstairs. To the left, we have the game room. And what would be a media room, they've got this set up as a ping pong table, another game room. Super cute. That is attic access, which is nice. And this is also attic access. Look up in the front. All right, and then the staircase has this little dip here. So you come up to the game side and then you go up to the bedrooms. So on the left, we have a little girl's room. Lovely. Full bath, ensuite, and closet. And then we have another bathroom. And bedroom with these built-in bunk beds. Super cute. And walk-in closet. All right, let's head out to the backyard. All right, heading to the back patio. We've got covered space here. And another spot there that has good coverage. Nice and shady at the moment. They have set up a trampoline with some mulch contained here. And it's a good size yard. It's not humongous, but decent. And removing that tree, you definitely could put a pool in if you wanted to do a pool.